Welcome to the Hedgehog Hollow. My name's Alexandra Stapleton Smith and I am the founder and CEO of the Hedgehog Hollow, a paper crafting blog and so much more. I founded the blog nearly 2 years ago when we moved from England to near Cleveland, Ohio. My husband got a job with Goodyear. I founded the business in my basement, which at the time was my craft room, and it was designed to keep me out of trouble, but it has grown into so much more. I decided I was going to make some videos on my phone. I started a blog. At the time I was a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I decided after a few months I was going to leave that because I wanted to work with all the other wonderful stamps and dies and things that I had in my collection. So I decided to work on affiliate income, and then I grew from there. We now strive to make the best videos in the creative industry, and we're excited to have this partnership with AFCI and Creativation. On top of that, we also run a monthly subscription box where we focus on a different company every single month. We also include discount codes, we have lots of inspiration from our design team, an exclusive Facebook group for our followers to join as well. And then we also offer our regular subscribers a bonus in their kit every single month. We also offer creative consultancy services for social media management, product launches, marketing, all those kinds of things, design team management as well. And then we also have our videography and production services that we're offering at Creativation this year, and also in this custom built studio that you see behind me. We change the backdrop every single month to keep it seasonal. We're currently in that holiday season and preparing furiously for Creativation as well. We really do try to appeal to a broad range of crafters, everything from card makers with Clean and Simple. We work with mixed media as well. I've hosted a number of TV segments on everything from working with vinyl to working with sublimation markers as well. So we really do lots of things. I knit, I sew, I crochet. Almost every single craft is covered in one way or another here at Hedgehog Hollow. We'd love to be able to work with you as well. You may well have had an email from either myself. We have Hannah, who is our collaborations director. We also have 2 interns that work with us, and my husband does all of our videography and is our executive producer as well, who works behind the camera and is doing our videos right now for us as well. So we offer so much here at Hedgehog Hollow. We really do have so much fun making these videos. Thank you so much for joining us. We also will be having a video series as part of this collaboration. We'll be interviewing people that we see as inspirational or leading as part of the creative industry, and we're finding out the story about them and their story and background as well. So stay tuned here on the Hedgehog Hollow channel. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notifications of that. And of course, all of these wonderful tutorials as well. And if you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about the background of Hedgehog Hollow, give us that thumbs up button as well. We'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.